Can you raise your right hand and repeat after me? I state your name,
I, Carla Masteray Villanueva,
having been accepted as
have been elected
as
member of the Philippine Dental Association,
member of the Philippine Dental Association,
do hereby solemnly swear
to hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of being a member
the duties of being a member
of the Philippine Dental Association
of the Philippine Dental Association
by abiding with the Code of Ethics
by abiding with
in
the
the
code
code of ethics
of the dental profession,
of the dental profession,
upholding the provisions of the Constitution and bylaws
upholding the provisions and the Constitution of the bylaws
of the Association,
of the Association,
carrying myself
carrying myself
as a deserving professional,
as a deserving professional,
worthy of respect
worthy of respect
and emulation
and emulation
by my peers,
by my peers,
that I will do this voluntarily
that I will do this voluntarily
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to the Philippine Dental Association.
You may now take your seat.